King, king. Oh my gosh. Where's a king? No, 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 no. Got it. Got it. Oh my gosh. Holy, it's so nice. Oh my gosh, it's crisp, and ow, that hurts. What? Oh my gosh. Yeah, baby. Yes. God. I mean, come on. That's ridiculous. King snake number 2 for the day, and it's an absolute giant. Real quality too. Looks like it just freshly shed not too long ago. Only a couple blemishes here and there, but God, South Georgia king snakes don't get better than that. And to be honest, South Georgia king snakes might be one of my favorites. Oh, look at, I mean, that's just crazy. But yeah, either way, I'm gonna grab a couple quick pictures, and we're gonna get back on the road.